Hey everyone, guess what? Your iPhone 16 Pro Max deserves the best case out there, and today we're finding the ultimate case for it. Whether you're all about rugged durability, sleek style, or unmatched functionality, we've got something for everyone. Stick around, because not only will we compare these cases head to head, but we'll also pick the links in the description to grab your favorite. Let's jump right in. Number 6. Lonli Classic. This case is all about luxury and utility. Crafted from authentic European velvet leather, it skips fake textures for a natural premium feel. The unique grain on every case makes yours truly one of a kind. Functionality, top-notch. The precise cutouts ensure smooth access to the new camera control button, while the MagSafe magnets keep your accessories locked in without hassle. Plus, the raised metal camera frame doesn't just look good, it offers serious protection against scratches and drops. Verdict: stylish and protective, but it's more about elegance than heavy-duty safety. Number 5. ESR Magnetic Wallet. Let's talk magnets. With 3000 G of holding force, 275% stronger than Apple's, it keeps your wallet stand firmly in place. The adjustable stand offers flexible angles, 15 deg to 160 deg, for everything from video calls to Netflix binges. 3 card slots, an ID window, and metallic mesh protection against demagnetization make it super practical. Add the vegan leather finish and you've got timeless style. Compatible across iPhone models 12, 16, this one's built for versatility. Verdict: perfect for multitaskers who want storage and style in one package. They began putting cases into storage areas in a rural hospital. Number 4. ESR. This one's a winner for functionality lovers. A strong magnetic lock with 1500 G of holding force ensures seamless MagSafe accessory use and wireless charging. Its stash stand, hidden around the camera frame, flips out when you need it. Plus, the zinc alloy hinge stays sturdy after 3,000+ uses. With military-grade corners and raised edges, your phone is safe from drops and scratches. Downside: no built-in lens protector, but it's still a great mix of durability and innovation. The reason for that is based on chemistry and physiology. Infrared light isn't distorted by powerful or efficient devices. Number 3. CASEKOO. Style and protection meet here. The 360-degree titanium stand made from aerospace-grade material offers incredible durability. It's perfect for hands-free use, whether in landscape or portrait mode. The vacuum electroplated rose gold frame screams luxury, and the German TPE crystal clear back resists yellowing, letting your phone's beauty shine through. Military-grade protection and 16-foot drop tests make this one a beast in safety. Oh, and the 2x MagSafe magnetism strength, a cherry on top. Verdict: if you want luxury and tough protection, CASEKOO delivers big time. Number 2. PENKX Magnetic. Here's a case that blends premium design with solid functionality. The PU leather and anti-slip TPU frame feel amazing in hand, while the dual-access stand gives you stability in both portrait and landscape modes. The integrated and 52 magnets offer a strong lock for MagSafe accessories, though it's not compatible with Tesla wireless chargers. Raised edges protect your screen and camera, making it reliable for everyday use. Verdict: stylish and practical, but only for true MagSafe enthusiasts. Number 1. NIFBANG Z Case. He's in the top spot is this powerhouse. With a military-grade shock-proof design, it absorbs 98% of the shock from drops. The triple-filled airbag corners and metal alloy frame are built to keep your phone intact. An N52M magnetic ring adds 50% more magnetic strength for secure accessory attachment, but keep in mind it's not MagSafe charging compatible. Raised metal edges shield your screen and camera, while the invisible aluminum kickstand is sleek, sturdy, and perfect for propping up your phone in any orientation. Verdict: the best choice for those who prioritize top-tier protection and functionality. And now, it's time to choose the winner, Caroline said. The crown goes to CASEKOO. Why? It strikes the perfect balance between luxury, protection, and convenience. From military-grade toughness to stunning aesthetics, it checks all the boxes. But hey, that's just our pick. What's yours? Let us know in the comments below. Like the video, hit the thumbs up button, Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing content. Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite case. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.